uh, I want that every one of you should learn to frame notes. It's really important. Number one, it gives you a fair idea how to get a particular start to your topic. If you get ideas in a swashbuckling manner, if you get ideas very fast, you tend to write fast, more, and in a very systematic manner. So this is the purpose of our class today, how to frame notes. Suppose I just take one topic, whatever the topic you can give me. In fact, let me take one. It's online classes. An educational revolution. Suppose this is our topic. Online classes and educational revolution. I have seen lot of students struggling, struggling to, frame ideas. They have got lots of ideas in a geopardy, right? I mean, they are always in a fix. How to, present the things. Randomly they give you an idea. So this is the point. So can I say this? Can I say that? I mean, off and on they can give you certain ideas, but not in a very systematic manner. That's why, because they don't know how to frame notes. So see, I'll just tell you how to frame notes. Online classes and educational revolution. See, first thing. To boost classes, to extend its reach, to boost the classes, online system is always good. To extend its reach, so we can reach to the people living far off. Enhances the efficiency of the teacher, enhances the efficiency of the teacher, or you can say that having the technological aid is never a bad idea, but excess of anything is bad. Brings the world in a nutshell. Some more points we can gather. See, these are random things. Every single student of my class should be able to frame such kind of points in a one go, faster, every day. So this will basically make you write a 200-word article in less than 20 minutes or so. Brings the world in a nutshell. Exchange of ideas far and wide. exchange of ideas far and wide. This is also the benefit of online classes. Brings the quality education in the reach of students living in remote areas. More points. Number of students. In a class can never be limited. Obviously, promotes or you can say that gives a boost to literacy programs. Minimizes, obviously, this is the very important point, minimizes the infrastructure cost. Obviously, if you have to build a college, if you have to build a school, you have to stuff in a lot of money. You have to, put in a lot of money to build that empire of education. But when it comes to online education, a single room is required, and if the technological aids are good enough, you certainly can put in a lot of students in a class, and a lot of students can get benefited from that. Minimizes the infrastructure cost. This is something important. Some more points that is coming to my mind is when it comes to online classes. Helps in bringing the cultures together. Obviously, when the students from different countries belong to different race, belong to different class, when they are united by this a single teacher teaching all the students in unison, this is something which is unprecedented in the field of education. Helps in bringing the cultures together, thereby diminishing prejudice to a great extent. And when it comes to this thing, the last point, in fact, I can go on and on and on writing things. I can simply write it in length. Online classes a handful. smart teacher. Holds the key. Holds the key. Here we are. See, I have run out of space in the board, but what I want to say is that if you want me to write on and on, I can simply go on and on, but still, I feel that I have got enough ideas in front of you to build up a very beautiful article of 200 words, and this is the way you have to write. So, in the coming classes, what I want from you people is, that every one of you should be able to frame notes like this. It will basically serve dual purpose. One, it will make you develop your writing skills, because when you are able to write such kind of notes at this pace, you certainly can become a very good writer. Number two, note making. Note making, the aspect that I was talking about. Note making, this particular thing is a gateway to note making. So you can become a very good report writer this way. So this is it, guys. In the coming classes, we want you to develop this skill and optimize this. Thank you.